Hi everyone, it's Wednesday, October 7th. Today you're going to be doing peer revisions on EduFlow. So there's a link right here to EduFlow. It's going to randomly assign you 3 different papers from your classmates. What you need to do is go through, read the paper, and then there's a rubric for you to fill out. Please make sure that you are giving the best feedback that you possibly can. Make sure that it's going to help your classmates make their papers better. Let them know honestly if their papers need work on something, but make sure that you are not being unnecessarily cruel. Phrase your comments or questions or anything in ways that are going to be helpful for your classmates instead of destructive. Remember that even though this is anonymous and your classmates can't necessarily see who is giving feedback, remember that I can see who's giving feedback. I can also see the amount of time that you have spent on a paper, so if you just try and fly through these, I'm going to see that. Your peer grading will be going into the grade book. So if you participate in this process and you take it seriously and you seem to be giving good feedback, you will get a good grade for peer grading. If you spend like 20 seconds on each paper, fly through it, and just click all the same answer for every single one, then you're probably not going to get such a great grade on peer grading. So please let me know if you have any questions. Your final papers are due on Friday. Have a great day.